Hi! On April 9, I made a video about me attempting to disappear. So for today, let me show you how to execute it properly.
You will need a camera with good video quality, a large green fabric, a video editor capable of doing chroma key, and good lighting.
After setting up the equipment, take a photo of the things that it's recording without you or someone in there. After executing that, you can start filming yourself attempting to disappear. Using your video editor, in this case KineMaster, make a new file, and the first thing you have to put is the photo you took before you're filming yourself playing with green screens. Click on Layer, Media, and use the video that you have recorded. Once the edits have been done, click on Chroma Key, Enable, and make sure it matches the color of the green screen. It must be somehow green. And try attempting to adjust them. This may take a long time, so don't worry. Now let's look at the results. This requires a little bit more fixing. Oh, hold on. This is one mistake you can perform while using a green screen. If you have too much lighting, you're in trouble. I think it's high time to adjust the lighting. And you can see some of the video going dark while the photo stays the same. If you're pretty insane or have a good editor, like a light motion, you can keyframe them, but this may take a good amount of patience.